Oh, this is a banger, Josh. This is a banger, Josh. This is a tune, mate. Rate this one. Boys, how we doing, man? Boys. What's good? I'm in this. I'm not in this. I was in GU. I've stopped loss today. But regardless, this week, boys, we've had an insane one. This week has been impeccable. I think, again, this just proves us further, though, with Friday. Friday is Friday. Friday isn't a tradable day. Never will be. It doesn't compare to Monday through Thursday. Never will. Today wasn't the best. Never is on a Friday, lads. But this is why we don't trade Fridays. Phil, what's happening, bro? Come out. What's good? Bilal, Jed, Claude, what's fucking good? Fear, what's happening? Aki, Vish. What we saying, boys? How we doing, man? TikTok, what we saying, boys? So we're gonna do that giveaway in just under an hour now, you man. Wait, boys, let's hit 26k on the UE as well. EJ Longs, yeah, EJ Longs, I mean, again, anything against the yen today is perfect, especially with the way it's already pushed towards those Friday highs. This manoeuvre is lovely. It's kind of what we was looking for yesterday, and we was happy that we started to have this rebalance. Hence why I was kind of happy for EJ to continue that way. Sorry, the yen to continue that way, and for EJ, mainly EJ, to start continuing back up. But yeah, there's some beautiful trades there, man. That's the only thing that's moved today, the yen basket. That's the only thing that's moved today. How's the league challenge? You top 10? I'm 19th or some shit. I'm 19th right now. We haven't placed any. We haven't had anything today, Rick. No actual big trade. But I think that's us for the week. But I'm happy with that. We've still got, what, 20 odd days left? So we'll see how that goes, man. We'll see how it goes. I'm excited, man. I'm excited, man. 3% up for Feb. No need for me to trade today. Sit on my hands. There you go, man. We've had such a good start. And it's brilliant because it's the first week, which just makes it so much nicer, man. One, it helps you if you was down in Jan. Two, it sets you nicely for a decent Feb. Bearing in mind it is a short month, so it's always great to sort of hit those profits at the beginning. We're just smashing this week, man. Everyone in the community smashing it, man. Everyone on the YouTube lives. Everyone, man. What's happening? What we saying, Kyle? What's good, man? No trades to me today. I only got in GU on Tuesday and Wednesday, bro. Lovely. GU and EU this week have been... I couldn't fault them. Monday through Thursday, could not have fought them, man, I'll be so honest. If uni weren't in the way, I'd be in the live so much more. Sometimes you gotta go through that phase though, man. It's jarring, but mate, come out one day you will, bro. Don't worry. It's not like one day we'll just stop streaming. We'll probably keep streaming for fucking years to come, man. Let's be honest. We probably will. We've already been doing it for years now already. We'll probably keep doing it. Your USD been clean. Oh, it's been so good, man. How, bro, let's actually all just seriously take a minute to how good EU was this week. So fucking good, bro. So good. If you was unable to take advantage of it, man, I feel bad for you because it was such a good week for the shorts. Massively risk-off markets. I'm bored of saying it now. I'm kind of pissing myself off how many times I keep saying it. Today's a bit painful. We're still getting that bearish move from the Asia sweep with a high. Trade back to the Friday 50 after coming quite low at the end of the PM session for New York yesterday. Are we beat in EU, boys? Fuck! You look new as well. I'm going to tell you straight away. We do not put stop loss to fucking break even. We don't. If you think these trades are painful, it happens nearly every Friday, so just don't get in them. I'll be honest, because this probably has a chance to come back to break even maybe 10 times before he just stopped losing on TP. Macy's Quran, I'm in a restaurant eating French toast with fried chicken, watching Richesse. You're eating French toast with fried chicken? What the fuck? Send me a photo of that shit, bro. Send me a photo on Discord of that shit. That could be nice. I see people like fried chicken on waffles and shit. I think that shit is weird. But French toast, oh, hit me. Hit me, bro. Just missed UJ, but less than a pip. I'm assuming you boys are looking for those. I mean, UJ, as I say, is not as great. I mean, what are you looking for on UJ buys? It's still moving, actually. It is still moving. I would say EJ just is better, though. What was the trade Lou was looking on here? I'm pretty sure he was looking at a trade, wasn't he? Was it EJ? I actually remember now. He was definitely looking at one. Lethal combo, trust me. Crazy. That is a crazy combo. Mate, can these guys be... Oh, we're fucking live! Jesus Christ, bro. Go on Discord, mates, have a look. Let's have a little look, man. Fried chicken and French toast, bro. Oh no, you can't really on Discord you can't really, not on Discord, on TikTok you can't really tell, but on YouTube you can tell. What are you man saying on that one? Secondly, what a fucking tune. Tell you what, that looks like that'll go down. Fried, but sorry, bearing in mind, it actually doesn't look like what it is. That is fried chicken. You didn't even tell me about the ice cream that's dolloped on top. You got ice cream there, fried chicken, and French toast, bro. That's crazy work, man. That's crazy. Let me know what he's saying, though, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's the most American mixture I've ever seen in my life, man. Which meat do you like? What type of fucking question is it? Who are you asking, and what type of question is that? What type of meat do you like? Where do you live, man? Where do I live? Okay, well, I'm going to keep it. We'll pull back sort of my address and my house and that, if that's alright. But I live in Essex. Diabetes maxing, trust me, man. What the fuck am I looking at? You're looking at the worst PA Fletch. The worst PA we've seen. Again, it makes sense though, right? It makes sense. Well, why do people decide to call me every time I go on stream? Abby, you're just laughing as well. You're not even following up with like the actual question. What in the shit are you asking here? What are you asking here, broski? But yeah, boys, we're gonna do that funded account giveaway. Those 2 accounts giveaway in about 45 minutes. Over in the Discord. Make sure you man are over in there. YouTube got mad delays. Yeah, it's got like a 30-second delay. That's the only annoying thing with YouTube. Oh, we love Fridays. Yeah, we love them, man. We fucking adore them. We live for them. Tell you what, I actually wait to trade on Fridays. What I normally do is I wake up early on Monday, analyse the market, don't sleep until Friday, and then I pretty much as soon as Friday hits, boom, I'm starting to trade. All my analysis from the last 4 days. How to participate in the giveaway? Still Catter, bro. You've been in this community long enough to fucking know that, bro. You've been in the community for, I don't know, fuck knows, half a year? So you must have seen maybe, what, 5 or 6 giveaways? But I just sent something out into the free chat like an hour ago or something. Again, man, I don't really understand the French toast fried chicken ice cream. It's the ice cream as well. French toast and chicken, I mean, I can't kind of get, but fucking hell, the ice cream on top. Your stomach must fucking hate you. Tell me which type of meat you like, chicken or what? My favourite meat. It's a weird question to ask a dude, bro. I've got to say beef. Beef's got to be my favourite meat. That just feels weird to answer for some reason. Like there's almost something behind it. But no, beef, 100%, man. Beef, 100%. Man, that's crazy, bro. Can you explain sardine token is? I can't, bro. Mainly because I actually don't know what the fuck you talking about? Your USD's moving slow. Is it? To be fair, I've honestly been seeing it and it's been flying around. It's been flying, mate. I don't know what you're talking about, pal. To be fair, on the 1 minute, it's soaring. Nah, it's Friday PA, man. Like, loss of volume just causes price to just sit in ranges. It's just completely normal, man. Completely normal. Does that give bonus points? This will be my first one. Does that give me bonus points? Bonus points isn't the currency we deal in the giveaway. But, wait, what do you mean this is your first one? Isn't it mashed potato? Is French toast mashed potato? What are you fucking... Sorry, TikTok 26. What are you, a fucking retard? There we go. Sorry, I can go back now. Whoa, it didn't hit me straight in the mush. What is French toast? I hope it ain't just... French toast is a dish made from bread soaked in a mixture of eggs and milk. Oh, so a fucking pancake. French toast is a dish made from bread soaked. Oh, it's bread soaked in a mixture of eggs and milk. Oh, bread. Sorry, I missed the bread bit. I missed that bit. Yeah. What do you mean is it mashed potato, you dickhead? Where are you from, bro? Are you from, I don't know, America? Where the fuck are you from? You are not from Europe. Mace, look at me, man. What? Look at me, man. Mace, look at me, man. Wait. Oh, the ice cream, you muppet. Don't call me muppet, I will say. TikTok, give me 2 secs. Can I even say that on YouTube? Okay, I can't even say that anyway. I just won't say that. You cut yourself lucky, brother. You cut yourself lucky. We're just under 45 minutes for that giveaway, you man. Who's feeling lucky, man? Because there's a lot of you, man, that always say, oh, I'm going to win, and get brutally taken out quite early. One of those mainly being Mehmet. Is it mashed potato, Quran? Wait, Quran, is it mashed potato or is it ice cream? No, it's not a fucking pancake. What the hell? It's bread. Oh, sorry, I fucked up. No, I didn't see the bread bit. Yeah, I get it, but is it ice cream or is that mashed potato? I think either or is fucking strange, to be fair. Which session do you trade, dude? I trade London session, Rich. Mate, so how can I sign up for the giveaway? Are you not in the mint? I swear you're in the mentoring, aren't you? Right, I see your name often. It's the giveaway at 2. The giveaway's at 1:30, boys. The giveaway's at 1:30. So maybe I should take off my 7 AM is foreplay, 8 AM is real moves off my chart for the sake of this stream. Really? My fingers are so fat, I can barely type, man. I always type shit bare wrong. I hate this song, man. Fucking hell. I've heard this song more times than I've done anal. Anyway. Let's get a better song. Let's get a better one. Josh, what's good, bro? Do you trade Bitcoin? Nah, bro, I'm not a bitch. I'll be honest, nah, I don't trade Bitcoin. I just trade Forex. That's all I trade. I do not trade Bitcoin, man. Or anything else for that matter. Also, the institution is setting up trades. That's why the market is choppy, because buyers and sellers is a fair price. That is kind of true, but the main reason why prices are moving is because there is no volume. There is a massive drop of volume on Fridays. Friday is known to be the lowest volume day in all financial markets. And that's crazy, Jed, and you're still going to lose. Oh, yeah, Jed, you got a couple entries, innit? Oh, yeah, Jed, you got fucking hella entries, actually, bro. You got, like, 3 blood. You've actually got a good chance. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, but that's also true. That is true. That is why price don't move, because there is a fair proportion of buyers to sellers. Mate, so what am I going to do to win the 50k account? To win the 50k? Well, that means you got to win both accounts. So you better, bro, you better wish your ass is fucking lucky. That's all I'm saying. But if you boys want to get into the giveaways, because we're giving away two 25k ACG accounts. These accounts are worth about 150 quid or some fucking shit. It's worth it, boys. We're doing 50% off mentoring, but they're only for the actual members in the Discord. So that's signals or mentoring. But all of that's off 50% off for the first month. Fletch is still going to get taken out. Come on. Oh, is anyone in this EU, by the way? This EU ain't even doing too bad, you know. I mean, fucking hell, it would be painful to be in, and fuck me, I'd hate to be here. But it's in profit, nonetheless. I think that's about 0.75 in profit, I'll say. Very close. That would have been a really fucking good guess, actually. I'm in it taking the piss, yeah, man. What time are you going to take it out, bro? Because I don't really... don't see us moving, you know. I mean, we've got a 1/2 might see a little bit of volume come in, might see a bit more strength from the dollar, which will help you, which I do hope. I am stronger dollar, so I think you are on the right side of the market if you are in the short, but it's, at the same time, it's a painful, painful moment to be in. Painful moment to be in. Bro, I'm actually excited for the giveaway, man. I feel like we haven't done it in ages, but it was just a month ago. Longer than a month ago. I felt like longer than a month ago, surely. I had Lou playing Pot of Paper earlier. That make me want to play his tunes. The bias makes sense on both sides, exactly. How can I sign up? Do I have to do something or just wait in Discord? If you're not in the membership, if you're not in the mentorship or the Discord, bro. So let me turn that fucking shit down. If you ain't in the membership or the mentorship or the signals, then yeah. But still, I swear you do, or do you not? Bro, what's your Discord, bro? Oh, it's still Cat. What's your Discord? Is it just still Cat 2180? Oh, do you have your own system, bro? Yeah, well, yeah. Nice. Boys, 8 this week though, man. ALG 8 this week, boys. That's some pizza crust. Piece of dust, fucking hell. Yeah, I just don't think we're gonna have those manoeuvres though, boys. We just broke out of uni consolidation or high, yeah, nice. I'll be honest though, boys, you want to be looking great analysis and all, but I'll be honest, you're looking for those trades sort of next week, and I'll be so honest with you. Where shall I be? What's your aspiration? It's just still Gutter, I think. Drop me a message, bro. Drop me a message. But yeah, you do need to jump into the mentorship or the Discord. But they are signals, but they are both 50% off. If I want your account, I'll buy a Beamer for my 80th birthday. Mate, what we saying, bro? I'm gonna start doing funding. I'm only 17, so I'm gonna try and put in my older brother's name. But will they find out? They will, bro. Don't do it. Bro, my best advice for you, right, Denari, not the best operator in Siege by any means. But what I would say, is don't even bother. Don't, because you will get to the funding stage. You're gonna have to do. It's just not really worth it, bro. It's not really worth it. And bro, to be honest, if you are 17, you're maybe not even ready yet. Like I know everyone, like they start learning young and they start getting on these funded accounts and they start trying to pass them and get funded and make money for them. But as soon as they try and make money for them, they go through the interview, whatever they call it. I can't remember what they call it, the risk interview. But it's not really a risk interview, really. It's more of a to verify that you are old enough or you are the person you say you are. So I mean, it's not really worth it, man. Just wait till you're 18, bro. Wait till you're 18, trust me. Build yourself up right now. Build yourself up. Yeah, you won't be able to do your KYC. I mean, you can say it in your brother's name, but like, then you're gonna get risk, and your brother's gonna do a risk interview. And, bro, just trust me. Just do it in your name, man. Honestly, and my best advice, if you're 17, like maybe you're not. I'll be honest, you're probably not mature enough yet. I'll be so honest. When I was 17, I was trying to do the exact same thing, and I know I wasn't really good enough for trading yet. But if you're young, bro, trust me. Keep yourself trading on challenges. Start an FTMO like challenge and stuff like this. Yeah, wait till you're 18, bro. Trust me. You're not gonna come into any problems. Trust me when I say prop firms will find any reason to try and not pay you out. Well, I say that, but if you break any one of their rules, they will make sure they will find out. That's what I sort of mean. Some of them will just try and fucking knob you anyway. But even the good ones, if you go against their rules, I mean, so FTMO and ACG are kind of nice about things. FTMO before, like with Stu once, something happened with his account, they just literally gave him a fresh new brand new account, which most prop firms wouldn't have done, they would just take his account. ACG as well, same thing. I've had stuff with ACG, they've sorted me out. Some firms will ruin you, but even still, just be on the safe side of it, man. I'll be honest. But more learning and more knowledge in the markets has never hurt anyone, bro. Do you know what I mean? So, but keep doing your thing, man. Keep doing your thing. Prop firms are good for building capital to funnel into Percy, 100%. I'm in total agreement to that. I was gonna get 10k funded for the FTMO. That's true. Yeah. Yeah. Just do the little challenge one, man. I'll be honest. Do a little challenge. See if you can pass it. If you can pass it, nice. See if you can pass it again, nice. Month on month, nice. We passed phase 1, passed phase 2, and then do it again, and then say this is your funded. Now, cool, we're on a funded. Now, oh, would have done this, would have done nice. So you're actually forward testing well. You're not back testing stupidly. You're forward testing well. Journal all your trades. You can see what in your trades is sort of wrong. And don't worry if you're not profitable yet. I mean, most people aren't, especially when they first get on funded accounts. I mean, I've passed accounts, got payouts in accounts, and still lost accounts. After getting payouts and after getting funded. It happens. So just trying to get in that flow and refining that strategy to an absolute T will be the one. Boys, giveaway in 30 minutes, man, for these 225k accounts. Mates, what are you thinking about these EU sales we've been in hold? I would say, bro, it's a painful one, man. For me, I'd fucking get out of it and just say it's the weekend, man. Get out of it. Because we're probably not going to move. You know what I mean? Probably not going to move. So, for me, I'd say take a little Brucey bonus on the already unreal week we've had with EU. Any giveaway today? First time in New York stream. First time in New York stream. Well, this is a very lucky day for you, my son. First time in a New York stream, and this is the first giveaway, well, the second giveaway of the year we do every single month. So fucking welcome, bro. But yeah, giveaway over in the Discord, man. We're giving away 225k funded accounts. I've been doing demos, started with 3k. Once I make 10, I was gonna get funded, but I'll wait until I'm 18. When you say funded, what have you been doing it on? Because if I was you, just do a challenge and don't try and like. Well, what have you been doing? Tell me what you've been doing. And any comment on gold, stay away from it, boys. Like I've been saying it for a bit now. Gold is going to consolidate sort of the period we've had. Exactly what we had in last October. Look exactly what we had in last October. I feel like that is the same phase we're in. We saw gold have the big dump. We saw price accumulate and then finally end up breaking the highs and continue up. It's probably going to happen again. Just right now, wait for it. Once we break this high, then we probably is the best time to start longing again. You need to make sure we're not topping. We don't really want to start topping out. But gold still has massive upside potential, 1,000,000%. Without a shadow of a doubt. I could definitely still see 6k in it. I could definitely still see 6k. Especially if we do exactly what happened last October, we're laughing. Same as silver. Silver's had a real nice rebalance today. We're up about, what, 5.5%? It's a bit of a joke. Little bit of a joke. Wait, Kylie Minogue, bro. Let's fucking go. So I've been making my own system, so I've been forward testing it, been working on demo. I want to get a challenge account, 10k one. Yeah, but you can get one, bro. But like, just don't just assume you're not gonna get a payout from it or anything from it, because it's the best way to think. Because there's nothing worse than doing all that nice hard work and get some great trades, and then not getting rewarded from it. But I mean, either way, even if you do it on a demo, so you can, but some prop firms ban you, innit? Or some people ban you from using their prop firm. I've seen that before. I've been taking all your trades this week on my small account. You've been taking all my trades this week on your small account. How's it worked out for you, bro? How's it worked out? Oh, this is like a 1 to 3, I'm pretty sure, brother. Yeah, just over a 1 to 3, this one. What we saying, mate? What's your name, brother? I'm gonna call you Nick. What's happening, Nick? Black Bullet, what we saying, broski? Jack Smith, what's good, cousin? Choppy, very choppy, man, very choppy. Not a day to be in, not a day to be in. I'm personally not in this myself, but this is what ALG presented this morning. I'm still asking, what do I have to do exactly to win one of the accounts? Oh, essentially what we do is we do a wheel. You don't have to do anything, you just need to be in this, just be in the stream. If you're already a member, just be in the stream. If you're not a member, you need to sign up before. And again, 50% off. Use code FEB50. Use code FEB50 to get in this giveaway. And again, you get entered into these giveaways every month if you're a member. You do this monthly. EU looks like it's coming out. Coming back ad. Dollar really still getting shit on? Why are you shorting this? I'm not currently in this, brother. But this is what ALG presented this morning. Man, what we saying, cuz? Man, what are you saying today? Are you feeling lucky, pal? Are you feeling lucky, mate? Percent. How do you do? How do you do in percent? How do you do? Trading with Rue. Yeah, you definitely have still, Carl. I've seen you. Carl, what's good, man? How long did it take you to become profitable, and do you have a mentor? It took me a fucking long time, bro. It took me near enough. Since I actually got my funding and started actually holding it for like minimum 6 months, it took me like 3 years. It took me like 3 years, innit? 2.5 to 3 years. And that's what I would, at the bare minimum, call somewhat profitable. Keeping a funded account for like 6 months. That's in my eyes when you start becoming profitable. 12 months of profitability is, you are there. I cursed everyone last giveaway. Trust me, Cole, you're a fucking demon for that, bro. Boys, by the way, get in the YouTube stream, man. This is where we mainly stream, innit? Over on the YouTube. YouTube is Richesse FX. I'm joining there, man. The real place. The real place. And a bounce off back off entry. But did you have a mentor? A few mentors, really, bro. One. Long story short, well, I trade with someone, right? I trade with someone we have done since we started, and his uncle traded. So he was one of our main sort of psychology and how to understand the market mentors. And then we had a few mentors with like SMC. We learned a lot of ICT and stuff like that. And then we based our trading knowledge around sort of those implemented together. And we trade the ALG straps. Essentially, it's an Asian liquidity grade around fundamental bias. I'll tell you one thing, boys. The one thing that made it click for me with trading is fundamentals, understanding the real market consensus, both headline and fundamental. Both is very key, man. Very, very, very key. You're cursing him, bro. You're cursing him. By the way, boys, you've got like 30 minutes left to get in this giveaway. No, you don't even have 30 minutes. You've got like 20 minutes to get into this giveaway. 25 minutes. Right, perfect. That's not even that. That's not even too bad, to be fair. That's not even too bad. Natty, what's happening, bro? How we doing, man? Yeah. Josh, give me a little something, man. Give me a little something. Give me a little something, man. Sounds about right, go on there. You fucking hell, was having a nice little move. He's having a nice little move. Slow day today, do you reckon trading on Friday? Bro, Natty. A few things you'll come to notice, right, in the Discord. Something I say all the time, and this is why we don't do the Friday pre-London in the same chat. Is me and Lou, we don't actually trade Friday. We do not place trades on our main account on Friday. We've never traded one. We used to trade Friday. Come to notice Friday was one of the worst days to trade Forex with our pairs. Way less volume. The main reason is the volume. No volume is not great for the ALG strategy. In fact, it's its literal fucking kryptonite. We need high volume in order for these moves to happen. It's nice, efficient ALG sweeps with a high and low. Hence why GU was a painful one. Hence why EU hasn't moved a fucking muscle. Exactly the exact reason. Asia moves quite heavy, and then we have a much more like rebalancing of volume, which is shit. Yeah, no, exactly. Half one, bro. 30, like literally about 20. We'll go over there in about 20 minutes. It's gonna be in that giveaway. I'll tell you exactly where it's gonna be, lads. What do you think of Bitcoin? Shit, man. What do you think of shit? Bitcoin, end of. Yeah, fuck cryptos, man, for me. Yeah, you do, bro. Let me send you both the links, though, still, Cal, so you can sign up for one if you want. And the discount code. I reckon it has more room to go down. Yeah, that is the favourable move. I mean, the bias is still strong dollar, but I say the market's probably just not going to move. Oh. What do you reckon, you, man? Stiff. Rest of the week was perfect. I'm expecting similar next week. Remain risk off. Yeah, man. Yeah. We should have the weaker pound though, you man. We should have the weaker pound. We are more dovish on the pound than we are with the euro. I want to count, man. You got a fucking bet your sweet cock, you do, brother. You need some luck there though, man. You mainly need luck. That's what you don't have. Well, I got cooked on GU and still EU short. Didn't know about the low volumes on Friday. Natty, you come to learn these things. Don't worry, bro. Don't even worry. This is what you will learn on the way. But at least you know why now, right? You need to learn that. Sometimes you need to place a trade to learn that firsthand. You can always take my word for stuff or lose word for stuff, but sometimes you need to see shit play out for you to notice if something's wrong or right. Do you know what I mean? 5 hours of absolute shit. Yeah, this has been dreadful, bro. It's been dreadful. What's the challenge account saying? Well, we are currently. Let's get the league. Should we get the league leaderboards up? We should be. I think we're top 20 now. I think we're now down to top 20. I haven't placed anything today. I did have a little trade, but I took it out. We didn't move upon open. But it makes sense. Low volume. Again, it's my first week ever trading futures. Yeah, this is where we currently are. We're currently 19th. We should have 30%. There's not much in it. It's only like a couple percent, 2.2%, not too much. So yeah. Hopefully we do good. But we still got like 20 days left, and I've still got a long old time. I could do bad in that. We'll see. Fingers crossed we do well though, man. Wait, there's 27 people in the new sign-ups. Is there? That's insane. Lack of volatility, too much volatility. Don't mind the bear market, need some cheap prices. Trust me. When your bias is correct but the trade fails, what's usually the mistake? The way you got in, really, normally. Again, because bias is great and bias is fantastic because you can follow that. And you should only go for those trades with that bias. But I do understand price isn't always just going to react off minimal levels and piss off with your bias. Just bear in mind, price loves to react off bullish and bearish things regardless of the bias. So the one thing I love to look at is equilibrium. If we've come up to a respectful level in terms of the equilibrium, in terms of like the prior day or in terms of the range we're within, I am more than happy to look for those shorts or those longs. But if price, for an example, this is our leg, right? This is our leg. From this high to this low. It's an awful circle. Complete wrong thing. And let's just say I'm looking to sell at some point, right? I would only allow for price to come into this area in order to continue those sales down. If price is floating around this area and then it gives me my setup, I'm going to have to deny it because it's not in this 50%. It's exactly how I trade on my funded account because I know price has a very high chance. And what we saw last year, most part of last year, is price manipulated a lot of people and had a lot of second sweeps. And we noticed this quite heavily throughout London session. If you trade London session, you know exactly what I mean. But normally it depends where price is. Price loves to have the distributions after one, manipulating, and two, coming into a nice premium or discount area, depending if you're buying or selling. Thank you, you're in a short me too. I hope you see the drops. So yeah, exactly that, Ethan. I mean, I don't think we're massively going to move just because of the volume in the markets, but good luck to you, mate. Good luck to you, brother. Then you're going to win anyway. Can I bid a giveaway without bidding the mentorship? No, you have to, bro. Or signals. Whereas we're going to do that giveaway in 18 minutes. Again, if you want to get in, man, jump in now, bro. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait next month. I'm a late. Again, I'm not understanding it in then. Why am I still in the Discord then? Wow, bro. People just want something for free, don't they? Jesus Christ. Hi, bro. What's the name of the session indicator? I can't seem to find it. Yeah, it's not one you can find. It's a private one. If you go over to our Discord, bro, and just drop a text in the free chat. Are you in the Discord? If you're not, it should be in our YouTube. Or just text the free chat indicator and I'll send the link over to you, brother. Or DM me. You can click on my name. I just sent out that text into the free chat. I just jumped into the signals. I'm not Diesel, bro. How you been, Diesel? There's actually bear man in this fucking. Fuck is this song? Did Eddie sign up for? Oh right. Oh, there's actually fucking bear man in this giveaway. Holy shit. Somebody got fucking bear entries as well. Steve's joined as well. Spartan, currently the oldest man in the group. Must have been in that giveaway. 40 man in this one, bro. Holy shit. Sorry, guys. I must have missed some comments. I mean, in EJ Long's, mate. It's nice, bro. Nice. That's nice. Let's keep it nice. I swear personal is better than prop firm. 1% risk is the same as the cost of the account. It's the buffer white. I swear personal is better than prop firm. 1% risk is the same as cost of the account is the buffer white. I'm quite confused with your question there. Well, why do you think personal is better than prop firm? What's your reason? I mean, I'll be honest, bro. I feel like it's each to their own, really. I think it sort of depends on how you trade. Massively depends on how you trade. What about GU? GU's just gone, bro. GU's sort of just gone. Just very weak. Well, very strong, actually. Well, not very strong. The dollar's just weak. Pound's just not really got that sell move yet from the dovish hold. When did we do last month's giveaway? When was it? When was the last giveaway? YouTube, when was the last giveaway? Yeah, Cron, you're in 4 minutes. No, you're in 2 for 1, bro. You're in one of them for two times. Mate's done forgot me. What do you mean I forgot you? Right, boys, you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna jump in there in about 2 minutes, just so we can get everything ready. Mason, who's Mem? He said he's won the giveaway when I won it. What? Don't worry about Mem. He's just this weird guy that says he's in the Discord, but he's not actually in the Discord. It's all like a weird thing. Better for compounding, I think. Don't know, maybe because you can lose some of the trades, but I think personally, that's fair play, bro. That's fair play. I mean, my personal opinion would be prop firm accounts, 100%. Because yeah, compound's great, but what you're gonna risk? What 20? Like what? How much are you gonna risk of your account each trade? Because if you risk 1% on your personal account, you're gonna make nothing. It's gonna be very, very long. Very, very long. And you can obviously, you can get more than one funded accounts. You can keep getting more funded accounts. I can buy two 200k accounts right now and trade them. It costs me about $2 grand. Trade them. If I get them past, I'm 400k funded. And then I've got 2 accounts. One I can maybe trade one strategy on. One maybe be a bit more aggressive on. And I can keep on getting more accounts. Plus they're scalable as well. No, but you could risk the 2K in the same as 1% risk. Yeah, but bro, what money are you gonna make from 2K? If you risk 1% of your account and you're in a 2K account, you can make £20. You're risking £20 pretty much. So whether your trade is, let's say it's 3-1, it's 3 times 20. So you're gonna be, no, I'm saying the whole 2K risk. Then you're being stupid, bro. Do you know what I mean? But there you go. There's your problem. You're full porting £2,000, which isn't the way to go about trading. You might as well you literally might as well go to the casino and put it on black or red. I'll be honest. Last month, I know it's fucking last month, you knobhead. What date was it? 7th or 8th of Jan? It must have been on a Friday. So what? Was it on the second Friday then? Did I not do it on the first Friday? Because the first Friday of Jan was the second. But did I do it then? That isn't compounded, and you can make a lot of money. If you keep the money in, it compounds. You don't have to take it with a prop firm. You don't have to fifth, mate. What do you mean the fifth, blood? So I did it on a Monday. No, I didn't. When did we do the giveaway, boys? Someone give me a real answer. So it couldn't have been on a Monday. Sorry, you can compound it. 'Cause you don't have to get the payout. You can wait, and you can compound it. Plus, if you hit a certain percent in payouts, they will scale up your account as well. Plus, you can buy more fundies. Are you saying it's good because the 10 trade buffer 2K plus the 2K risk the same? You're saying it's because... Yeah, but 2K, I've got two 200k accounts. I only trade one at a time. It cost me £2,000. If I pass the challenge, past the step 2, because I'd always say do 2 steps. Pass phase 1, pass phase 2. That's what, 15%. If you made 15% on the, let me do the math. I've got another phone here. Let's do the math. If you was up just from the challenge, you would make what? Let's have a look. So you got £2,000. You got £2,000. Let's say you 20%, $20 risk per trade, or £20 we'll say, £20. Well, that's $20. Let's say you trade 3 hours, right? So you know 60. Then it's gonna compound. 3. Oh, the E's moving up now. Shit. It's 5 trades, isn't it? So let's say you take 5 trades at 3% per trade, right? On your personal account, risking 1%. You would have earned $320 pretty much. So you would have earned $320. So whilst you earned that $320, I earned 0. But I've now got 200. Bro, that's not fucking lagging. But now I've got 200k buying power. So now if I risk 1% and you risk 1%, you're gonna be risking what? $23. You do 3R, $23 what? $69 you get if you win a 1% trade. If I win a 1% trade, I make $2,000. Take away profit split. Let's say 75%. What's that? 1,500 quid or something like that. Bro, I get $1,500. Bro, why am I lagging so much? But I get $1,500, and then you're still making 2-3. A 100k account is actually 6 bags, bro. Who the whoa, where the fuck are you buying your funded accounts from? A 200k account, dollars, is a bag. Where are you buying your prop firm, bro? Man, a 100k dollars account is $6,000. No, I'm saying it's equivalent to $6,000. Yeah, but I'm using 200k numbers anyway. I'm using 200k numbers. And plus, bearing in mind, you're going to continue to get these more and more accounts. So you're going to keep buying these. It's going to cost 1.7. Let's say you get to deposit another 1.7k into your account then. And the risk side of it, bro. Think about the risk side. Think about the risk side of it. Let's say for an example, right, you get to 6 grand, you're risking 1%, and then you inevitably get into 40% drawdown, which happens. 40% drawdown, which happens to literally about 95% of traders. You get to 40% drawdown at some point. Then you're going to lose 40% of your account. Say if you've even got 6 grand, you're going to be down to like 3k. I lose 40%, I lose a funded account. That's worth what? Okay? So I lose less and make more. Right, boys, I'm going to jump over to Discord. We've got 5 minutes till we're doing the 225k account giveaways. EU's about to hit stop loss, which is fantastic. Yeah. But we're going to give away these 225k accounts. I told you guys it was going to take out the equal highs, sweep liquidity before it goes down. I don't think it's going to go down, bro. It's probably going to stay where we are. Yeah, but it always goes off the percent. You won't make money off the pros, just risking value. Yeah, but if you always go off the percent, you won't make money. What do you mean, bro? You should always go off percent. You should always go off percent. You should always go off percent. Right, boys, we're going to jump into Discord. We're going to give away these 2 accounts, boys. We're going to give away these 2 accounts. Before I jump off, man, I just want to say what a week we've had. I'm currently up right now from this week 5% on a 200k account ACG. I'm also currently right now top 19 on the leaderboards for this week. Futures, the Leap leaderboards, which is fucking sick. I need to get this on the screen as well. What a week we've had. We are currently top 19th. 31% we've got this week from futures. We fucking killed it. All on the stream, pre-London and in the New York. But boys, we're done, man. We're done for the week. Trading's fucking finished. Now let's go chill the fuck out and let's go give away some funded accounts. All you man in the Discord, I love you all to death. And I'll see you man over there. You man on the TikTok, love you. YouTube, love you, man. I'll see you boys over in the Discord. Appreciate it, man. We use the ALG strat. If you want to learn how the fuck to trade that, follow me, boys. I'm live every day. Whoa, homies. YouTube. See you boys in the Discord, man. Let's waste no more fucking time. Let's waste no more time. And also, someone please give me a serious answer. When did I go when did I go live last month? I need to know what day. Please let me know when I'm in the